Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, we are going to unlock the power of remove.bg and learn how to remove backgrounds like a pro. Say goodbye to complex backgrounds and hello to the clean, professional looking images. Background removal can be time consuming and tedious task, but with remove.bg, you can separate your subject from its surrounding in just few clicks. First, you need to open up the website, that is remove.bg. Here in the Google, if you write the remove.bg, you can select this website. Now, once you are here in this website, there's an option to upload the file, or you can drag and drop a file from here. I have this image. Let's start with this. Just click on download. I'll just put this image and drag and drop in here. It is uploading, and now the background is removed. Here you can see the original one. It was like this, and after removing the background, it is like this. Just simply click on download and you are good to go. Now, for example, I have this image. I'm going to download this, and again, I'm going to grab it and drop it here. This will upload the image and analyze it, and then remove it background. Great, isn't it? Here you can see, if I click on original, it was like this, and after removing the background, it is like this. Now let's move on to the third one. You can also click on download to download this image. And let's move on to this one. Just click on download. Here, select the image and drag it on, drop it here. This will upload the image and then remove its background. And there you go. You can simply just click on download and you are good to go. You can remove the background of any image that you want. That provides you free images for your use. I'm going to click this here. You see the background was like this, and after removing the background, it is like this. Original and background removed. You can also make some changes to it. Just click on edit. Here you can blur the background. This is great, isn't it? You can add the colors. You can add the background. And just like that. There are tons of options that you can choose from. And once you're happy with it, just click on download. This will download the image. Remove.bg empowers you to achieve professional looking images with ease. Whether you're a photographer, graphic designer, or social media enthusiast, this tool will elevate your visual storytelling. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.